Just imagine the whole process from the starting, in the whole process from the starting to ending. Say for example, this is the enrollment screening day and to the follow. Just imagine the whole process is 120 days. In your life, say for anybody's like 120 days is how many? It is 4 months. Okay. Now, there is a subject called 101. He involved in this clinical trial. It's a phase 2 diabetic study. He is also a diabetic patient, so he involved in the clinical trial. So first, what he will do if everything goes well, first he involved in the screening, and then he'll complete that one. Then he's going to complete the run-in, and then he'll start taking the treatment. And at some point, the treatment also will end, and then after that, he will ask to come again one final time and the follow. And after that, they will say, "Hey, no need to come anymore. The clinical trial is over." So that means this subject successfully completed all the phases of the clinical trial according to the protocol, and then obviously at some point he's going to leave the study. I want to say second clinical trial a subject is someone there will be no connection, so he's going to leave the study. This is one case. There is a subject called 102. The range is 101 successfully completed. Whole process. Okay. Now there is a subject called 102. Again, he also completed the screening, he also done the running, and he started the treatment. And during the treatment, he got a very severe, serious adverse event. Adverse event. And he got scared. He stopped the clinical trial. But after the clinical trial, completely stopped coming for the treatment, and that is the end of the story in clinical trial. Understand this one? That means whoever enrolled the subjects in a clinical trial, there's no chance everybody is going to complete the study. Some people, some subjects, they may stop the clinical trial in between also. 1,000 members clinical trial all the 1,000 members will not complete the complete study, all the phases. Some people they stop because of so many other reasons. If there is 1,000 members, maybe 700 and 800 members only successfully complete all the study, remaining 200 to 300 members, they will leave in between. So for example, I have one more subject called 103. Okay, he involved in clinical trial, he started the treatment, but he's not taking the treatment properly. So one day he's taking the medicine, another day he's not taking, and it's very irregular. He's not following the protocol at all. So that is called a protocol deviation. I have major protocol deviation chapter and one day. I'll ask him to leave the study because he's going to affect my study outcome. I'll ask him to stop coming as a sponsor. Because he's not following the protocol well. He's doing a lot of deviations, violations, so I'll ask him to stop. And there is one more person, 104, and again, screening and the running. And after running, what I did, I did the randomization and asked him, please come on specific day, I'll start the treatment. But he stopped coming. I don't know why, and without any reason, simply based on his own consent. He stopped coming to clinical trial. So if he thinks that I do not want to come, if he says that I'm not going to come, we should not compel, we should not force him to come. If he doesn't want to come, then we should. That's it. He will not come. That's it. We should not ask him to come. We should not request him. We should not force him. So based on his own consent, he stopped coming to clinical trial. And there's one more subject called 105. So it's a diabetic study, and he started the treatment. I know the treatment is going to be 90 days. He has to take the treatment 90 days. But by 45th day only, he reaches the normal. Okay, diabetic continues on the normal dose. He becomes non-diabetic. So now he has become no more diabetic. He should not give the treatment. That is called a study-specific endpoint. What is the endpoint? We are going to do some test based on the test. What we are going to do, we'll ask him to stop coming. And if he reaches the normalcy, we'll ask him to leave. Okay, so because he met the 10-point criteria and asked him to, he no need to come, so he stopped coming to the clinical trial. There is one more subject called 106. He's stuck involved in the clinical trial, but during the clinical trial, he met with an accident, death occurred. So because of that, obviously cannot come to the clinical trial. So whenever there is subject involved in the clinical trial, maybe successfully completed the clinical trial so that the clinical trial will take over, or a subject is going to leave at any point of the time because of so many other reasons. Because of protocol deviation, because of meeting the endpoint criteria, maybe because of the death, adverse event, his own consent, so many reasons, he'll stop. Now, I'm going to collect all the information once the subject started clinical trial, why he left the study. Why he left the study and what date he left the study. In the book, and what he has left the study. In the book, successfully completed all the phases, or maybe because of adverse event left in between, or maybe because of the death, his own consent, protocol violations, endpoint criteria, so many reasons the subject is going to leave. When the subject left the clinical trial, and what is the reason when he left, I'll collect all that information. And we are going to collect that information onto the CRF sheet. Now, whatever information I collect on the CRF sheet, I'm going to put that information in a data set called disposition. But simply called as a DS. DS stands for when the subject has been disposed from the study. Now, I'll show you a couple of protocols so you can understand, what information that we are going to collect. Here, can you see the reason of study? In the subject study, we will very important. So, name of study completed the study. We successfully completed the study, we are going to put a tick mark for complete the study because of AE or severe AE, and then loss to follow because of any reason he stopped coming. A non-compliant participant is not following at all my protocol. Concomitant medication is taking some concomitant medication which is against my protocol. Is taking that person, go ask him to stop. Medical contract medication, and then we have a consent with his own consent, he stopped coming because of the death, because of any other reason, whatever the other reason, then we are going to here. And if this is form free, so now this information is going to come into which table now? Yes, this position. The information is this position data set. Now I have one more CRF sheet here, and can you see this is also comes under end of the study. So date of last visit, if the subject premature discontinued planned study visit, and if yes, please choose the one primary reason why he stopped coming. Because of the adverse event, maybe because of protocol, maybe protocol deviation, loss to follow, voluntary withdrawal, study termination, pregnancy, lack of efficacy, or other reason, whatever the reason that we are going to collect here, whatever information that we are collecting in this CRF sheet, that information again will come into this position. And this proper CRF sheet is depends on the study to study. And but if you collect any information here, that information we are going to put into TS data set. So in real time, TS data set is very, very important. It will give us an idea why the subject left the clinical study, why he is leaving the clinical study. Now tell me, by saying this example, how many observations that we get for one subject? How many records we get for one subject? Leaving a clinical study is how many steps we observation? Well, so if the kind of one is going to leave the clinical study, and maybe because of his own consent, maybe because of some adverse event, maybe because of protocol deviation, maybe because of meeting the endpoint criteria. So in the first organ chance, study only for one step will be one step. So leaving the clinical study in general is a one-step process. If we go now, we collect that information. So in the past studies, we used to collect only one record per subject. Understand what I'm saying? So, but now we are collecting each and every phase of the clinical study. I'll tell you a simple example now. and I started commuting on a metro station. I took metro station at JNTU. My destination is SR Nagar. Now I have quoted this metro train. I want to get out at SR Nagar. So everybody asked me when you quoted the train, when you are leaving this train. They asked me to note down the name or time. But SR Nagar destination SR Nagar. SR Nagar 7 o'clock reach 8 8 reach 7 o'clock reach. Now they asked me to collect information. Now tell me how many records I'm going to collect now. At destination SR Nagar, departing it like an SR Nagar, arriving at SR Nagar is going to only 1.1 instance, one step. So I'll collect that information. So in this scenario, if there are 1,000 passengers, we need 1,000 records. So my destination, I try to get down at SR Nagar, but every time I may not get down at SR Nagar. Maybe I met with my friend, we both got down at for example, so that day, I'm not reaching my destination. I'm leaving this train in between. I want to do some shopping. I left. I got down from a station from Exodus. I didn't travel. I have complete. I get down at some expected. Okay. But this is 7 o'clock. SR Nagar will drop down. Our William depends on our requirement. Sometimes we may get down. So there's a movie playing. I want to watch that movie. I want to. I do not want to come to the class. So I got down somewhere here. There's a theater, and I want to watch the movie. I left the station here. I get down here. So actually, my destination here, SR Nagar. But sometimes, because of so many other reasons, I may get down before my destination point at different stations. Now, if you ask me why you left the train, why did you complete up to Srinagar, SR Nagar, why you left in between? Tell me the reason. If I collect that information, that is nothing but the dispatch. So leaving the train is how many steps process? We are going to collect one record. But now, sponsor is asking, don't collect one record. Please collect from JT to SR Nagar in between how many stations that we have. Like each and every station, when you are crossing the station, when you are completing the journey up to the station, please collect that information also. And finally, ప్రతి స్టేషన్ ఎప్పుడు క్రాస్ చేస్తున్నాం కూడా కలిసి ఉన్నాడు అంటే నేను జేఎన్టీ ట్రైన్ తీసుకోవాలనుకోండి మరి నేను ఉంటుంది స్టేషన్ కాల్ కేపీహెచ్పీ and ask me to collect that information. KPHP to cross culture. And then, collect information about the Kukali and you ask me to collect. Then let's say, for example, some Balanagar or something, and then we have, say, for example, Patnagar or something, and then we have, say, for example, Yeragata or something, and then you also ask me to collect ESA hospital. Now tell me, he asked me to collect for each and every station, then how many observations I'm going to get? How many observations I'm going to get? First I left at JNTU, one observation, second station, third station, fourth station, fifth, sixth, seventh, and finally, 8th station, SR Nagar. So total how many records I'm going to get now? 8 records. Plus, we have 8 stations between them, so I'm going to collect each and every station when I'm leaving the station. Plus, the sponsor is asking, there are some important landmarks between JNTU and SR Nagar. Please collect when you are crossing the landmark. Please collect that information. Okay, so for example, between Kukatpally and Balathiri, Metro Supermarket, he asked me, it's a very important landmark, collect that information also. It is not a station, but he asked me, when you are crossing the Metro Supermarket, collect when did you cross that mark. Don't forget that. It will take time also. And there is one more landmark between, Yeragata and SBSI, there is a hospital, and he asked me to collect when did you, this is a very important landmark, when did you cross the hospital, the mental hospital, collect that information also. And by the way, this is not a station, it is a very important landmark. So collect those landmarks information also. Now how many records I'm going to get? If I have 8 stations between them, 8 stations plus I have 2 important landmarks. Collect that landmarks information also. Now tell me how many records I'm going to have now? 10 records. 10. So now, if this is the example, what is the structure of the data set? 1 record per disposition of each station, and or when did you cross that landmark? Isn't it? When did you cross crossing each disposition, then you're disposing from each station plus when you're crossing the important landmark. That is the structure of, if you put this information in a table, that is the structure of the table. Understand this one? Now, if you take this as an example, now coming to our clinical study. What are the important phases that we are going to have? As I said, first we are going to have the screening. In our screening, we are going to have the running. Now after running, based on the randomization process, we are going to give the treatment. So here we are giving the treatment, this is the treatment time, and I'm giving the treatment here. And after the treatment, what we are going to have now? Again, we are going to have the follow. So, and this is a screening, and this is a running, and this is a treatment, and this is a follow. Now, if I ask you, please collect 1 record for each phase, how many records I'm going to get now? And along with that, in a clinical trial, we are going to have very important milestones, landmarks. A landmark they have milestone. There are going to be very important 2 milestones in a clinical trial. That is not a period. It is just a single point incident, and that is the first important thing. Informed consent. The area with informed consent, that is a very important milestone in a clinical trial. So, and the second important, very important milestone is the randomization. Randomization is not also is a period. It is just a single point event. So now the sponsor will ask you, please collect when did you complete each phase, plus when did you complete that milestone. If you ask us to collect that information, now if this is an example study, if anybody successfully completed it, how many records I'm going to get? 6. 4 phases plus 2 milestones. The total we are going to have 6 of them. And this is called disposition data set structure. So how we can explain this one? 1 record for disposition status or protocol milestone. Disposition status and each phase equal disposal equal complete phase or equal FIR. Plus protocol milestone. That is going to be the disposition data. Clear everybody? Now tell me what are the domains that we are discussing in today's class?
Disposition. DS.
So now, right now, we are into the events. And the domain that we are discussing in today's class is TS. And the label of the domain is disposition. And the topic variable is going to be, tell me the topic variable?
Term. TS term.
Events are going to be term and this is the TS term. And the next one is the structure. Previous time is 1 record for disposition data. But now 1 record for disposition of each phase or protocol milestone. So 1 record per disposition status or protocol milestone as subject. Protocol milestones are very, very important question. What are the protocol milestones that we have? Informal consent of kind and randomization. These are all protocol milestones. And you know the corpus is going to be tabulation, and the location is going to be ds dot of xpt. Very, very important domain for Adams in future, because it's going to tell us why the subject is leaving the children's study, why his subject, how many pages is completed, when he left. Now, coming to the variables. Tell me what are the variables first variable we are going to have?
Study ID.
Study identifier, character variable, required variable, identifier variable, you know that one. And then what is the second variable we are going to have? Domain, domain abbreviation, character required, identifier variable, what value we are going to have? DS.
DS.
Then USUBJ ID.
Yes, it is
You
ID.
subject identifier, character required, identifier variable. Yesterday there was an interview. Give me one example for each classification of identifier. The qualifier variables are here from the DM data set. Give me one example for each qualifier variable. Record qualifier example for the DM domain. RF facility say RF. Tell me a grouping qualifier in general, not the DM. Grouping qualifier.
Character scatter.
Character subject. Give me one result qualifier.
DS.
What RAS?
Wall.
RAS, LB what RAS, LBS, TRS, okay. And tell me one variable qualifier.
Page units. Page units, sir.
Tell me about
Those
one
units.
seven qualifier. CMD.
Decoder.
Okay, this is the question. And the asked, you know, RFS, RFA, RFN is timing information. Why it is required qualifier? General A variable, A variable cover, timing variable. DM low, RFS is RFN is any timing variable except DMD, DMDY. Any kind of variable, required qualifiers. Why they are required qualifiers?
Because we won't use the manual for any calculation.
We don't use common by calculations, so that's why it is called as it is weak as required qualifier. That's how they ask the questions. Okay, so once you're done with the use subject area, the next level, you know, definitely there's a chance of having a multiple observation, isn't it? You know, Facebook observation plus milestone per day. If any subject successfully completed this study, how many observations are going to have? 6. So definitely there's a chance of multiple observations. Which variable we need to have?
Sequence.
Yes, sir. Sequence. Sequence number, numerical variable, required variable, and identifier variable. And you know that how we are going to generate the DS sequence, right? Then we are going to have 3 permissible variables. What are the 3 permissible variables that we are going to have? DS group ID,
Sponsor ID, reference
reference ID, and then DS sponsor ID. So for example, you know, next to DS thermos unnalle adverse event cover valla subject left hand person code. Now I'm reviewing this data, have it out. Is it correct or not? So what should I do? I'll go back to the CRF sheet of the patient and the subject. I'll start cross-checking this one. Now this information, where we have, can you see this one? In which page that we have this information?
AE. Second.
Page number.
Second.
Okay, page number. Okay, can you see this one? Page number 13. So in general, in real time, it is going to be, can you see how many pages that we have in this CRF sheet? Fine. If I start checking from the page number 1, how many pages I should check now? 13 pages. Now I come to know what is the page. Okay, here we have an adverse event. That's why you left the study. That information you are going to write it down. Capture by somewhere here. Now, as a reviewer, when I'm reviewing the data, it will take a lot of time for me to cross-check all the 124 pages. So that's as a sponsor, what you're going to do. Now in the reference ID, we are going to provide the page number, go and check CRF page number, say for example 31 or something. Now directly what I will do, I'll go to the CRF page number 32 of the subject, and then I'll check that one. If you have a data value there also, what does it mean so that I can confirm, yes, it is a genuine data, it's a true information. So the reference ID is going to help us to cross-check the data with the CRF sheet. So what information we are going to have there in the reference ID? Maybe CRF sheet page number or a pre-printed code on the CRF sheet. CRF sheet page number pre-printed code on the code, and that we are going to keep it in reference ID. Then the next one is the topic variable, which is the DS term. The term collected on the CRF sheet, we collect directly into the DS term. The next one we are going to have, you know, in the DS term we are going to have a term that we have collected directly from the CRF sheet. Sometimes we need to have a decoded term. Now that information we are going to have in DSP code. If you want to convert the term into decode, what we need to have? We need to have a dictionary. Economic medication and in adverse event, what we use is a dictionary. But in the dictionary, you will not have such dictionary. The sponsor is going to provide you some control technology. By taking the control technology, I will convert the DS term into decode. So here, what we are going to have? We are going to have the control technology given by the sponsor. So for example, if the patient died because of automobile accident. Now in the DS term, it is going to be automobile accident and DS decode is going to be death. Here we are going to have a heart stroke because of heart stroke the patient has been died. You know, DS term is going to be heart stroke, DS decode is going to be death. Now the next one we are going to have is grouping qualifiers, DS category and the DS subcategory. Now so far, in any given domain, what is the classification of category and the DS category? In coreness domain varaku, category subcategory is independent, permissible variables are different. But for the first time, DS category is an expected variable. Remember, very, very important question. Category disposition data set though, it is an expected variable. In all other domains so far, it was a permissible variable. Can you tell me one domain in which, two domains in which we have the same topic variable? Topic variable is the same?
Event, subject, no term.
What are those domains?
CP.
In two domains, there is the same topic variable. Subject elements. Subject elements and trial elements. Subject elements or trial elements over topic element and element code. Subject elements or trial elements over topic element and is it no? question we are going to get what values we can find in the DS category. DS cat low A values of we are going to have three types of values in the category. The first one is going to be disposition event. And the second value there is a chance of having protocol milestone. And the third value is going to be other event. What are the possible values that you can have in DS cat? Disposition event, protocol milestone, and other event. Category, subcategory. Then we are going to have epoch, which epoch is successfully completed. Epoch variable classification చెప్పండి. Remember, epoch is always a timing variable. ఎక్కడ వచ్చినా timing variable epoch. Can you define epoch? It is a period of time that serves a purpose
spent by the subject.
Period of time that serves a purpose when you study as a whole. Example?
Training epoch, running epoch, treatment epoch, follow-up epoch.
Then we are going to have DS ETC. What is the DS ETC?
Information collection data.
Time collection date and time. Here also collects information. Then we are going to have DS STDTC. Now what do you mean by DS STDTC? Start date and time of disposition. Next we will DS. But you will not have DS NDTC. I will tell you the reason. Again going back to the metro station example. When you're traveling here and you point out at some station, say for example, you have deleted that one. Again your destination is another, you should get on at another. But because of some other work, you point down at say for example, elevator. You want to visit the hospital, you're not feeling well, and you want to go to the hospital, and you left it here. You got down this, in this station. Getting down at the elevator station, getting down at the depot and many stop and depot one is single event. There are many starting by it is always a single episode. Getting down at the station is single event. Okay, when getting down at the spot here to money ended, this is one step. So that's why we are going to have a DS HTTC, you will not have a DS MDTC. Understand what I'm saying? So disposition is always a one-step event. One time point event. That's why we are going to have a start date, but we are not going to have end date. So if you ask the question, why we do not have a DS ENDTC? Disposition is always a one-step event. Disposing from any specific epoch or a phase is in a one step or one time point event. That's why we will not have DS ENDTC. Understand this, everybody? And then we are going to have the next variable, DS STDY. What is STDY? Study day of disposition start date. Study day of disposition start date. Is there, everybody? But these are the variables that we are going to have in the DS data set. See one more time, what are the variables that we have? Study ID, domain, view subject ID, DS sequence, group ID, reference ID, quantity. Then the DS form, DS depot, DS stat, subcat. Then we are going to have an epoch, date of collection, date of start, and the DS STD, study day of start date. Okay, now here I'm writing a few examples. In example you can display. Now I'm going to write how the data is going to be in the disposition status. Okay. For example, there is a subject called 101. He successfully completed the whole data process without any deviation, without any adverse events. He successfully completed this. If anybody successfully completed, how many observations that we are going to have? How the DS data set is going to be? Obviously, I'm not going to write unnecessary variables. So here I'm writing, say, for example, first of all, USDPJ, and then I'm writing the next variable, which is, say, for example, DS stuff. And the next one I'm writing DS depot. And then I'm writing the next variable, DS category, and then I'm writing DS STDTC. Okay. Now, tell me, first, I'm writing 101. I think first one, first thing, informal consent is complete right here. Informal consent obtained ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఏముంటుందంటే informal consent obtained ఉంటుంది. Informal consent obtained ఉన్నప్పుడు category ఏమవుతుందంటే protocol milestone. It is going to be protocol milestone. And then most important one more variable ఉంటుందండి epoch. చూడండి protocol milestone అనేది అది ఒక టైం పీరియడ్ ఒక సింగిల్ ఈవెంట్ ఈవెంట్. అంటే ఒక టైం ఫ్రేమ్ రేంజ్ 1 or 2 days 3 days ఉండాలి. protocol informal consent ఎప్పుడు అవుతుందండి వన్ స్టెప్ ఈవెంట్. సో ఇట్ ఇస్ నాట్ an epoch. So epoch is going to have a missing value. అంటే మీరు informal consent కనుక ఏ 10th January ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ 2nd January 2020 ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, సో దట్ ఈస్ going to be date of DSSCTC. So that is the second important next step that we have in this very example side. The second one is screen. So 101, now we are going to have completed. But here also we are going to have a completed. Category is going to be completed and disposition event, the disposition status. So we are talking about
Screening.
And say for example the subject is completed 10th of January, not 10th of January 2020. So what is the next important that we have? Running. And we also completed the running. Here we have a completed, and then here also we are going to have completed. Then category is going to be disposition event. The disposition status. And what is that one? Running. So here we are going to have run. For example, we completed this running on 20th of January 2023. 101. Randomization. Process is going to randomize. What is this one? It is a
Protocol milestone.
And that it is going to be value epoch because this is not an epoch, and we did the same day, say for example 20th of January 2023. 101. What is the next one? You will be
Treatment.
You completed the treatment also. Completed. And here also we are going to have completed. And what is this one? Disposition
Disposition
status. And what is this one? Treatment upon.
Treatment
And completed the treatment on 10th of April 2023. So 101. Here we are going to have a completed. Here also we are going to have a completed.
Disposition.
Then we are going to have a disposition. And then what is this one?
Follow.
And separately completed on 20th of April 2023. So if any subject successfully completed all the phases, then this is how the structure of that subject. How many of them we got? Can you see this one? 6 of them.
6.
Now, there is a subject called the subject by 102. This subject, during the treatment, he has got a severe adverse event. He left the study. Right? So first he submitted informed consent, then screening completed, running completed, randomization completed. Now there is a, for example, hot stroke. For the hot stroke, what is this one? This comes under adverse event. So because of that, he left the study. So what is going to be? This position. Before he left, the how many of this guy has got?
5.
Because during the treatment, because of adverse event, he left. Now, చూడండి ఇప్పుడు సక్సెస్ఫుల్ గా కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నా అడ్వాన్స్ ఈవెంట్ వచ్చిన అయిపోయినా క్యాటగిరీ ఏమైందండి క్యాటగిరీ ఏమవుతుందండి వాట్ ఇస్ వాట్ మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ డిస్పోజిషన్ డిస్పోజింగ్ లీవింగ్ హియర్ ఈ సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ కంప్లీటెడ్ బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఈస్ డిస్పోజింగ్ బట్ హియర్ వై ఈస్ లీవింగ్ బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ అడ్వర్స్ సో ఎనీవే సిన్స్ ఈస్ లీవింగ్ ఎలా లెఫ్ట్ అయినా కానీ డిస్పోజిషన్ క్యాటగిరీ ఏమవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు కూడా డిస్పోజిషన్ అండ్ నౌ ఇస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ దట్ యు గెట్ when we are going to have like above missing value ఇప్పుడు ముందు so when we have missing value protocol milestone is a protocol milestone. When category is protocol milestone. When the category is going to protocol milestone,
IC update and randomization.
Or randomization. I can't tell you how much important this process is later. Understand this one? So, allow the clinical successfully runs because of any reason. If you're leaving the clinical study, what is the category?
Disposition.
What are the values you can find in the category apart from the disposition? Protocol milestone. Sometimes we are going to have other events also. Like a treatment unblinded, physician notified, primary care statement, those are the values that we are going to have. When we are going to have epoch value. When you will not have epoch value, if the DS category is going to protocol milestone, then epoch is going to have missing. Otherwise, we are going to have an epoch value. Clear this one, everybody? Did you understand the disposition data set? Very, very important future law. End of the study status. Why the subject has been left the clinical study? Adams Law. By Adams Law, why the subject, when the subject leaving the clinical study and earlier information to president disposition of the number. In future, we are going to create a table. How many subjects successfully completed clinical trial? How many subjects left the study because of adverse event? How many subjects left the study because of protocol deviation? How many subjects left the clinical study because of reaching out of endpoint? So we are going to submit the statistics based on this disposition data set. Is the question that you get. Can you see this question? Which of the below disposition event category can be generally seen in HGDM TS domain? 1 disposition event, 2 protocol milestone, 3 other event, 4 adverse event. Which of the below disposition events category? Even category event TS category values ఉంటాయి అక్కడ.
1, 2, protocol milestone, protocol milestone, other event. Adverse event.
The second 1, 2 and
3.
ఈ question చూడండి. Epoch should not be populated in DS domain when the DS tag is equal to
Protocol milestone.
protocol milestone. Protocol milestone is indicated protocol milestone is not an field of time. It is what simply one point event. That's why epoch is going to be missing value.
Missing value.
You can make it double. How a partial date is presented if it is the 15th of some month in 2003 and time is not collected. Month is same. Month is same. We are representing date. 15th of 2003. We don't know what is that month. Only the ISO format date I have 2023 I-1.
19.
What is missing now?
05.
They only sorry, month economic state of icon symbols today, 2023. How many icon symbols that we have? 3 icon symbols. 3. So now tell me what is the right answer? The
First one.
Tell me what is the answer is going to be. మనం మాత్రమే డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం ఇది. This is called multiple set statements. Multiple set statements ఏమవుతుందో గుర్తుందా? Very good. ఇది కూడా ఆల్మోస్ట్ merge of without by statement. Merge without by statement ఏమవుతుందంటే annual number of observations వస్తుంది. కానీ multiple statement ఏమవుతుందో least number of observations of any one data set. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయండి? ఐడి బ్యాక్ వన్,
ID back one.
ఐడి బ్యాక్ ఏమవుతుంది?
Back two.
వన్ A1 మిస్సింగ్ వాల్యూ, 2
A2 BB1.
ఓకే, 3 వస్తుందా?
No.
3 వస్తుంది, పాట వస్తుంది అసలు కాలేదు. అసలు ఏది రాదు, ఎందుకంటే లీస్ట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ ఫ్రమ్ ఈవెంట్ అటాక్స్. ఒక దాంట్లో రెండు దాంట్లో మూడు ఎన్నో వస్తాయి, ఇప్పుడు 2 వస్తాయి.
2.
The remaining options cut any, but we are going to have reached the number. Understand this one, this is how we are going to get, and now enter your definitely are going to get one or two questions from the dispersion data set. Definitely we are going to keep the dispersion data set in our regime, and we are going to put most number of domains from the events. But whatever the study I am giving here, it is in a, they collected information as one record per subject. So only studies for one record per subject are చేస్తారు, and only studies for one record for each phase plus protocol milestones కూడా కట్ చేస్తారు. But ఇక్కడ మనం study ఏం చేశారంటే one record per subject కట్ చేశారు. అంటే ఫైనల్ గా ఎప్పుడు సబ్జెక్ట్ ఎప్పుడు అవుతున్నాడు ఎందుకు లెక్క. And so what we have one record for each subject, 1 what is the term చూడండి, study completed, collection date and when did it happen. So this is going to be study ID, subject code తీసుకొని, subject create చేయండి, DS term, and అదే DS report కింద తీసుకోండి. Then we are going to have DS EDC and DS STD. Okay, get the RFS EDC and generate the DS STD. Study completed ఉన్న ఏమున్నా కానీ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ అవుతుంది ఇప్పుడు disposition. ఇక్కడ protocol milestones నాకు ఎందుకంటే నేను ఒక్కొక్క దానికి ఒక అబ్జర్వేషన్ కట్ చేయలేదు. I think only one record per subject. So category always is going to be disposition. ఇక్కడ నాకు informal consent ఉన్నా లేదా animation ఉన్నా కూడా category అవుతుంది protocol milestone కట్ చేయలేదు. Multiple observation కట్ చేయలేదు, multiple records I think only one record per subject. Understand this one? So get the RFS EDC, and then when you see how many subjects successfully completed in this, how many subjects left before successfully completed. Can you see this one? Here there is a subject 1032. Can you see why he is leaving the study? Withdrawn from the study, severe non-compliance to protocol, and 1064 due to adverse event. Again due to severe non-compliance to protocol, and again he is leaving the study because of adverse event. How many studies successfully completed in study? How many subjects have been completed successfully? 32. 1, 2, 3, 4 members left the study before. So 32 members successfully completed, 4 members left the study before. ఇది కాకుండా ఇంకేముంటాయంటే డెత్ ఉంటుంది, ఓన్ కన్సెంట్ ఉంటుంది, స్టడీ స్పెసిఫిక్ ఎండ్ పాయింట్ మీకు చూడండి. మనం స్పెసిఫిక్ ప్రోటోకాల్ చూసి వాట్ ఆర్ దిస్ తెలిసి వీ హావ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఆప్షన్స్. లాస్ట్ ఫాలో అంటే చెప్పులు వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, మళ్ళీ రాదు. దట్స్ వై అయిపోతుంది, మళ్ళీ రాదన్నమాట. దట్ ఇస్ వై లాస్ట్ ఫాలో అవుతాం. అంటే మనం ఎంక్వైరీ చేసిన ఇంకా సో ట్రై టు కాంటాక్ట్ దెమ్ బట్ దే రెస్పాండ్. సక్సెస్ఫుల్ కంప్లీట్ చేస్తే పెట్టుకుంటాం. అడ్వర్స్ ఈవెంట్ లాస్ట్ ఫాలో నాన్ కంప్లీట్ పార్టిసిపెంట్ బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ సమ్ అదర్ మెడికేషన్ కాంట్రాడిక్షన్ ద కన్సెంట్ విత్ ఓన్ ఇస్ ఓన్ బికాజ్ ఆఫ్ హిస్ ఓన్ సెల్ఫ్ రీజన్ హి లెఫ్ట్ ద స్టడీ లెఫ్ట్ అక్కడ అదర్ రీజన్. అండ్ హియర్ ఆల్సో వి హావ్ వన్ మోర్ షేర్ ఆఫ్ షీట్ హియర్ వి హావ్ డిఫరెంట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. Clear everybody? So this is how we are going to have DS data set. Please read and understand right the code for this version data set. Okay? Given the events of protocol deviations and allocated controls. So from the events we discussed so far 4 domains, and we are going to keep all the 4 domains in our resume. In the class of task kitchen session, started missing a game, sorry, ended missing incomplete test. What is the value that we should keep? Did you write the code anybody? Did you get a chance at the time to write the code? Minimum పనిలో ఒక స్టార్ట్అప్ కంపెనీ ఉంది. ఈ స్టార్ట్అప్ కలిగి జాబ్ చేయాలనుకోండి, వాళ్ళకి మెడికల్ డేటా సెట్ ఇచ్చి ప్రోగ్రామ్ అయినా ఆ మెడికల్స్లో సేమ్ ఇన్కంప్లీట్ డేట్స్ లాగా ఉంటాయి. ఏమి సెట్ చేయాలి, మంత్ సెట్ చేయాలి, డేట్ అంటే డేట్ అండ్ మంత్, సేమ్ మంత్ రెండు సెట్ చేయాలి. తెలుగు స్పెసిఫికేషన్ ప్లీజ్ రైట్ ద కోడ్. ఇఫ్ యు గెట్ స్టడీస్ ఫర్ టాస్క్ ఇఫ్ యు కంప్లీట్ దట్ వన్, యు కెన్ కంప్లీట్ ఎనీ మెడికల్ డేటా సెట్ ఎనీ స్టడీ. Understand this one?